Well, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today we're going to be making Mexican tortas. Very quick, very easy, and it's something that you can make and snap up quick on a weekday as all our kids are getting ready to go back to school, mine tomorrow. So this is a simple recipe you can throw together for your family or just for yourself, depending on your situation. So what I have done is I've already marinated my carne asada, which is flank steak. I bought 2.5 pounds at my local grocery store, and I have marinated it, which is about a 4-hour marinade. So let's go over the ingredients of what's inside this marinade. I have 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cumin, and 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 cup orange juice, and a 1/2 cup of olive oil. And so what I've done is I've marinated this, and we're going on just about 4 hours now, so I'm gonna go prep my grill, and I'll meet you right back here shortly. I have the grill ready to go, but let's first go over all the wonderful fresh ingredients that go inside a torta sandwich. So first you have some shredded lettuce, you have avocado, you have red onion, sliced tomato, and a little bit, if you like, of the cilantro. I love it, so I always put it in all my different dishes. And you have this bread, which is like a hoagie bread or like a bread roll, sandwich roll that you can find at any of your local grocery stores. They will have it, easy peasy, and it's super affordable. Most of these ingredients are affordable. It's a quick, easy dinner. So let's get grilling. I'll meet you at the grill. So my coals are white hot now, and it's time to get that meat on the grill. So I have my pit mitt, so I don't get burned. Carefully dump your coals on. There you go. Voila. Okay. God, this marinade looks delicious. Be very careful getting your meat on the grill. And this meat cooks so quick. It cooks so quick, so you want to keep your eye on it and get all these drips off. And so it's about 5 to 7 minutes per side. It depends on how thick your cut is of your flank steak, but oh, this smells so good. If they only had smell-o-vision, what a thing. I wish you guys can smell this delicious marinade. It's amazing, and this torta is gonna be amazing. Check out that char. We're getting there, guys. Oh my God, it smells delicious. So we'll be right back. I'm gonna let this get up to temp, get some meat flipped over, and I'll see you back in the kitchen. Okay, I just took the meat off the grill. Beautifully charred. Absolutely smells delicious. Again, I wish I had smell-o-vision so you guys can smell this through the video. But I went ahead and sliced up some of this delicious meat, and this is how we will put it together. Easy peasy. Oh my goodness, it's so hot. So I'm gonna get my wonderful hoagie roll bread. I'm gonna put a little bit of mayo right here. I'm gonna slather it on one side, because I do have a customer that's waiting for this that loves her mayo. So yummy. Little bit of cheese, right? Put that inside there. Then I'm gonna get some of this hot meat right there. Okay, so I have my meat and cheese and mayo, and now I'm gonna put, how about a tomato in there? Like so, and maybe another tomato, like so, and some onion. I think my little customer likes just a little bit of onion. I don't know how much she likes, but I'll do that. And I'll put a little bit in like that. Maybe one more little piece. And then I'll put some avocado across the top. Maybe 2 slices. And then I'll open it up a little more and get some of this fresh lettuce in here to boot. Fresh, easy dinner. There you go. there is your Carne Asada Torta. Easy peasy. If I can do it, you can do it too.